Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make brightening and aging face masks for overnight glow. Like you instantly note your skin glowing and looking smooth and fair. So we are going to use rice and our vitamin C serum. Actually, I did this video, in fact, glycerite, not serum. I did this video. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So you have to make sure that you clean your rice so that you remove any debris already which may be found in your rice. So rice is good for your skin in that it's rich in a lot of nutrients. Around 16% of its composition consists of proteins, which are building blocks of skin cells. It is also enriched with the triglycerides, lipids, and starch. So that is how it looks like. So we are going to boil it for at least 30 minutes or even 25 minutes so that it is moist and soft, so that we'll be able to blend it so well. Yes, so these lipids and starch, which they are all responsible for enhancing skin health. Carbohydrates, inositol, phytic acid, making rice ideal for achieving glowing skin. So you have to blend it. Yes, so now, like rice possesses skin brightening enzymes present in the rice, make it a key ingredient in the Japanese and the Korean beauty rituals. So it's known to fix dark spots and blemishes and brighten up the complexion for a clearer and smooth skin or texture. So it's ready at this point. So we are going to add in our vitamin C, glycerite. So rich in antioxidants, like has shown to inhibit the action of elastase, a compound that causes damage to elastin in your skin and leads to damage or premature aging. That is why rice can be safely used to delay and reduce the appearance of aging signs on the skin. So starch in the rice have a pore tightening and toning effect when used on oily skin. Some studies have shown that rice starch can be, beneficial in repairing and maintaining the natural barrier of skin. The cosmetic industry is full of serums that promote or make your skin glow. Of the many serums available, vitamin C serum is proven, as a powerful antioxidant that will stimulate collagen production in your skin. It also fights, fine lines and brightens for complexion, contains anti-inflammatory properties, and reduces the redness and swelling that comes with acne. The results are more pronounced when you use the vitamin C topically. So vitamin C may help reduce high pigmentation. Vitamin C is known to reduce high pigmentation by reducing the effect of the trypsin enzyme. That enzyme is actually responsible for the production of melanin that gives you skin color. So vitamin C also functions as a brightening agent. It has properties that reduce dark spots without altering your skin color. So it improves the appearance of skin caused by acne. So like I always love to use my hands because I feel like my hands are very gentle and like brushes. So you can go with whatever you are comfortable with, but I love applying every product using my hands because I feel like they are gentle. So that's just my take. Yes, so rub it in on your face. So like if you want to have like a natural glow, brightening face without any pimples, reduce acne, pimples, and aging, then you can use this mask overnight. Like when you're done with your routine, like night routine, you apply it and then you rinse it off, or you can use it in the morning. So like friends, I'm telling you, the moment I rinsed it out, like my skin instantly like showed that glow. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. To my 130 subscribers and my viewers, I really appreciate you friends for your love and your support. So if you are new on my channel, or if this is your second time on my channel, click on that red subscribe button. So we are going to leave it on for 15 minutes, and that is how much is left. Actually, more than 2 applications. So that is how it looks like. Yes, so it's going to work wonders for our face. If you want that glow complexion, then use this mask. So like it's been 15 minutes and we are ready to rinse it. So I've just rinsed out. Look at that glow. Our hair like instantly glow. Have you seen overnight glow? That's what I was saying. Like, I don't encourage like what a product working just once, but this one, did work wonders. So at this point, I'm just showing you how our face looks like without any products applied. Look at that, friends. Are you going to try out this? Rinsing out, you can follow up with your best moisturizers or the products that you use. So now we are going in with our aloe vera and our carrot oil. So using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize, your skin. Regularly applying aloe to the face can help treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema and sunburn. So like I made this video on how you can make whole leaf aloe vera hair mist. So you can even use it as a facial mist. So look at that. Our hair is so moisturized. So now at this point, we are just waiting so that our aloe can dry a little bit before going in with our carrot oil. So actually, carrot oil, whether you have dry, acne prone or sensitive skin, carrot oil is a great skin saver. It's rich in vitamin A and carotenoids. Carrot oil helps give you skin a natural radiant complexion. It has high content of antioxidants and help fight skin aging. So like I'm just using it, pouring it regularly on our face. In fact, I did a video on how you can make carrot oil extraction. I'll link that video in the description box below. So I always follow up like with hyaluronic moisturizer or vitamin C serum. But after doing this, like I'll proceed with our hyaluronic moisturizer. Actually, I did a video on how you can make it. I'll link all the videos in the description box below. Yes, so I'm going to do that off camera, of course. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching our videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.